Hey guys, welcome to another video. So we are in Uravan, Colorado again. We got this nice little camp spot here, and it's actually right above a few mines, which we're going to check out here in a second. Other than it being extremely buggy, it was a pretty nice campsite. So yeah, this Uravan video is just going to be a little more personal as far as just adventuring and just checking things out. It's not really an informative video, but yeah, come along for the ride. Ore slide or something. Not sure what this was used for, but I'm sure that's pretty close. Little walkway right here. My brother's coming down, but these trees right here, and especially this one right here, are gonna probably prevent us from getting down there. But there is a entrance right here around the corner. Safe. So there was an entrance here and here and one over here, but rather than use bat bars, they completely closed them in. Two fridges. Well, there's the trash pile. I think that's an old tobacco container, maybe. This looks like it was probably dynamite storage. Doesn't go in very far. Got nice little tracks over here. I'm sure the main mine is probably gated off, but we will find out. Lanyard.
Oh, boo.
Well, of course.
I don't know why I say boo, because it's not like I like going in the fucking cave anyway.
Let me take my ND filter off here real quick. Here we go. Now we can see. This rock right here is just like, it goes to show you just how strong that stole is. Okay, I'm gonna go over here, away from that. I see some yellow rocks back there, but I ain't going back there to test them out. I can't believe all this stuff is still here.
People have injected it.
Yeah.
Longmont, Colorado.
What's in there?
But there's a desk in here and everything. I'm so sorry.
There's some writing on
Turn
the.
that off. I'm sounding like the biggest ability to withstand this than me.
Well, my thing right now is that I'm looking at all of this is fractured. Well, I mean, they put some wedges in the ceiling up there. What for? I don't know.
Yeah.
You can see they put dynamite in there and blew it up. There's like a, I can't barely see, I'll try and brighten it up, but there's like a canvas thing here that's all like tarred to the wall. 6.5, 7, 8. That's the outside of the office where the desk was. A small entrance there. Cable out here on the ground. What have we got here?
It does go in to the left.
I'm still absolutely flabbergasted how this rock hasn't fallen yet. The only thing holding it up is that wood.
Kind of it's butted.
It's kind of wedged, yeah. Take the ND filter off so we can see. Grizzly's kind of hanging off the edge. Check out this alcohol bottle. I think it's an alcohol bottle. 1 pint. Not broken. Completely intact. We're just going through. They like to throw all their trash off the edges here, and so there's a bunch of old cans and broken glass and bottles and stuff, and we just like to go through it and see if we can find anything. Unbroken jar. And there's one of those twist things right here that you would use to open things. Look, a spoon. Not sure exactly what this is, but interesting nonetheless.
Shutter speed.
Those are some thick legs. There's a shoe. 2 shoes. Shoe. Shoe. Alright guys, we are where we were going to park and hike down to a couple mines, but it is currently raining, so we're just going to sit here for a few minutes and see if it blows over. There you go. Nice ladder up to a nice hole. I won't be doing that, especially because the rocks above it in this area here don't look like they are going to stay up for very long, so. Really wish I could get in there, but I just want to look in the entrance. It's crazy being underneath these things. There's one there too. This here. But I've been here a few times. If you've seen some of my videos in the past, I've flown my drone around here a bunch of times, and I completely missed these both times.
This goes no.
No. Well, I've never seen that cable coming down before. If you can see it on the video, but so I think this was like the power room, because this is where the electricity came down to this pole, and then I think it ran in here, and this is where they handled the electricity. Yeah, here's the electrical box right here. All the switches and stuff. And this either got blown away by all these rocks in a rock slide, or it got blown over in the wind. Check out this rail right here. It's all bent. There's another electrical box right here. This big old rock here, right in front of the entrance. Which is not gated. Someone was partying in here. And there are two sets of rails. You can kind of see one, two. I can't see it, but it's only like 0.3, 0.4. This thing's pretty cool. I don't know what it is. All the water lines for the drilling. This thing has always weirded me out, because like, is this like some kind of spray insulation or something? Yeah, it's like the foam. Holy Nikes. Yeah, just what I thought. It was like a storage room. But this big rock came from right there. Alright, one last look at the tramway here. On to the next one. Alright, just kidding. On the way back to the car, we decided to drop down to another road and check out one more mine. I think this all used to be waste rock right here.
It's slowly wearing away underneath it.
And it's completely washed away. See the layers. It's like a junction piece for rail. And there's one right here too. I think it was right here. Okay. Yeah, you can see the wood in there. So this was the entrance, but is now not accessible. All right, folks. I think that is our last mine for today. There were a couple more along the way, but we've already explored those before. So we're just gonna head down to the highway, hop across the highway and across the river, and take River Road and try and find a camping spot for tonight. But this video is all about Uravan and the exploring that we did today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was probably a little less professional, but I just wanted to do some exploring today and bring you guys along. So yeah, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.